Tesla is expanding, and this news will warm your heart if you are a Tesla investor. As many of you know, Tesla is a prominent maker of electric cars and renewable energy solutions all over the globe. Most of their products are made in the company's large-scale manufacturing facilities known as Gigafactories, and Tesla has recently announced that a new Gigafactory will soon be opened in Mexico and will be futuristic. The new Gigafactory in Mexico is a significant milestone for the company, since it will assist in increasing its manufacturing capacity and fulfilling the rising demand for its goods. The plant is being developed in Guanajuato and is projected to produce thousands of employees in the surrounding area. It will initially build Tesla car parts and ship them to other Tesla Gigafactories. With time, the Mexican Gigafactory, being Tesla's sixth, will produce electric automobiles such as Tesla's successful Model 3 and Model Y. Other components and parts for Tesla's cars, such as batteries and electric motors, will also be manufactured. One of the primary advantages of the planned Gigafactory in Mexico is that it will enable Tesla to take advantage of the region's reduced labor costs, which will assist in reducing manufacturing costs and boosting efficiency. The facility will also use renewable energy sources, making it more ecologically friendly. Before now, there were 5 Gigafactories in operation: 3 in the United States, Giga Nevada, Giga New York, and Giga Texas. The Nevada plant manufactures battery packs and energy storage devices such as Tesla's Powerwall. Giga New York, based in Buffalo, New York, manufactures power pack batteries, solar panels, and supercharger station components, while Giga Texas in Austin serves as the company's new headquarters and a model assembly location. It is already producing Model Ys, and Tesla intends to construct Model 3, Cybertruck, and Tesla Semi there as well. Overseas, the manufacturer has 2 factories, one in China and one in Germany, producing Model Ys. Giga Shanghai also manufactures Model 3s, and Giga Berlin plans to expand its product line to include batteries and powertrains. Elon Musk said earlier this year that plans for another Gigafactory were in the works, and that it will be built in North America. That is, Canada, USA, or Mexico. One of the probable locations was the Canadian province of Quebec, but things changed quickly. Musk visited Ontario and Quebec, where he spoke with Canadian government leaders. A Gigafactory in Quebec or Ontario was likely to be plausible owing to their closeness to raw material processors for batteries in the 2 provinces and proximity to Canada's car suppliers, primarily located in southern Ontario. However, despite some apparent exploratory work by Tesla employees, plans for a Gigafactory in Canada still needed to be finalized. At the same time, Musk was reported to have visited with authorities in Nuevo Leon, which borders Texas and lies just west of Tamaulipas, which connects the Gulf of Mexico. Tesla will make a visit to Santa Catarina. The investment will be completed in the following weeks and revealed towards the end of the year. The agreement is that it must be done as soon as 2023 begins. We know it will create jobs, and it will be built in the only accessible region to the west of that municipality. According to Tesla, the Mexico Gigafactory is expected to be the costliest Gigafactory. Musk claims that the business would spend $10 billion. The selected size is Nuevo Leon, Mexico, especially in the neighborhood of Monterrey, and the initial investment to create the new Tesla Gigafactory is between $800 million to $1 billion, with a final cost multiplied by 10, making it the costliest Gigafactory ever built by Tesla. In contrast, the one that opened in Berlin cost $5.5 billion. It is worth noting that the Mexican state of Nuevo Leon shares its border with the North American state of Texas, which is home to one of Tesla's Gigafactories, notably in Austin. Facilities that cost more than $1 billion can now produce 3,000 Model Y units each week. The new Gigafactory in Nuevo Leon will be the most significant foreign investment in the state's history. Tesla's acquisition will influence suppliers who wish to develop facilities near the Gigafactory. Real estate agents acknowledged that they had received visits from various enterprises looking to establish themselves in the region. The site on which the plant would be constructed has already been purchased. Still, a review of public land records revealed no such completed transactions in the region west of Santa Catarina. From what I gather, they have already purchased the land. They may not want what happened to Kia to happen to them, but Musk made them secret since the property near where it was purchased is likely to grow in price, one of the people said. I don't believe the property is in the company's name. Furthermore, the Cybertruck will be manufactured in the Gigafactory in Texas. That's Tesla's groundbreaking pickup, which, although announced years ago, will become a reality by the end of 2023. When Tesla came out with their electric cars, it wanted to show that they could be stylish, well-made, and good for the environment. The response was almost too much, and demand, especially for the Model 3, went through the roof. Demand has grown so much that it can take 3 months or more to get a Model 3. And by all measures, the demand will stay strong for a while. Each Gigafactory is unique in size and production output, yet none are tiny. Giga New York, the most minor facility, is on an 88-acre plot of land and contains 1.2 million square feet of workstations. The initial Gigafactory in Nevada includes 1.9 million square feet of land and produces roughly 35 gigatons of battery capacity per year. With almost 10 million square feet of manufacturing floor, Giga Texas is one of the world's most significant structures in terms of footprint. The Gigafactory is an exciting concept that will expand to meet Elon Musk's goal of complete vertical integration across the board for Tesla's product line. The objective is to become self-sufficient, enabling the company to increase production to keep up with demand. While there's still a way to go, technological progress should make Musk's vision a reality sooner rather than later. Regarding the Gigafactory concept, to say that Tesla has significant intentions would be an understatement. Such plants might quickly spread over the globe. The groundwork has been established and the promise is there. Every company hopes one day to handle all of its operations internally. This is what vertical integration aims to achieve. The quality and price of a product may be better managed if the producer is in charge of every step of its manufacture. It also helps businesses save money by reducing the need for external help and customers. At the Gigafactory, Tesla is guaranteed complete authority over all operations and unfettered flexibility to implement any required improvements. The Gigafactory's capacity to provide new products and services to consumers is the most significant benefit they will reap from visiting the new facility. Cuts in prices are one manner in which buyers stand to gain. A few short decades ago, many of the luxuries we take for granted now were beyond financial reach. If Tesla delivers on their Gigafactory plans, we might see the same with its automobiles. Giga Texas plays a significant part in helping the company to meet its manufacturing target of 2 million vehicles next year. Aside from the apparent benefit of cheaper auto workers' salaries in Mexico, the Gigafactory would be mere hours away from Gigafactory Austin and could readily share components from suppliers or make parts for assembly in Austin as required. A Gigafactory in Mexico also has cheaper operational expenses than Canada, including internal heating for the facility and enough sunlight for Tesla's solar cells. However, a new Gigafactory, whether in Canada or Mexico, ignores some of the automaker's other difficulties, including an aging lineup, an inquiry into autopilot collisions with first responder cars, and the availability of its so-called full self-driving technology as a Level 2 system. With so few facts accessible, many issues remain unanswered concerning Tesla's activities in Mexico. Does it make sense for Tesla to establish another facility since the Gigafactory in Austin is not so far away? Tesla's other plants are spread across continents. Is this a clue that Tesla is considering selling EVs directly in Central or South America? Or will this plant produce components for the Austin facility? You are about to find out in our next videos.